Hello friends, today we will be solving this algebraic identity. So what is the given problem? It is if x by y plus y by x equals to minus 1 where x and y are not equals to 0, then we have to find the value of x's cube minus y's cube. Okay, so let's solve it. So what is the given expression? It is x by y, sorry. So what is the given expression? It is x by y plus y by x equals to minus 1. So if we further derive it, it becomes x square plus y square by xy equals to minus 1, or x square plus y square equals to minus xy, or x square plus xy plus y square equals to 0, right? So we are getting this expression, correct? Now let us do something with this expression. What is this? This is a simple formula, x cube minus y cube, correct? What can we write it? We know all that x cube minus y cube can be written as x minus y into x square plus xy plus y square, correct? See, we have already found the value of this expression, that is x square plus xy plus y square, that is this one, correct? So it is the value of 0, correct? So we can write x minus y into 0. So anything multiplied by 0 is ultimately 0. So what is the ultimate answer? The answer will be x cube minus y cube equals to 0. So this is the ultimate answer. So thank you for watching my video. If you have liked my video, please subscribe and share my video. Thank you.